Okay, this is the first steaming of this unidentified engine, bought on eBay a few weeks ago in March this year, 2014. It's got certain characteristics which make it possibly look like a Nellis of Bradford, or possibly a engine of quality models. However, it doesn't appear to be made by either of those. I think it has been made commercially. However, some people have looked at it and thought that it could be a very well made scratch-built engine. That said, it does have some of the characteristics of immediate post-war engines, in as much as that it's got a lot of aluminium content in there in the pressed base and the firebox, which has some rather oddly drilled air vent holes, but it has a very well made Mazak flywheel, and the engine components of the overtype engine look pretty sort of tidy in terms of they've gone through a manufacturing process. So I've never steamed this engine before. I'm running it with a Maymold lamp at the moment. That's the actual original that came with it, which needs some cleaning off and a vent pipe soldered in. I've put in 80 cc's of hot clean water, so we're going to see what this little fella can actually do. Let's say it's got no overflow plug, simple safety valve, overtype engine, no exhausted chimney, although the base mounted chimney does have this neat little boiler mount. It seems to be coming to steam now, so we'll see what happens. Something's trying to happen. There we go. It does actually steam. Safety valve's blowing a little bit. It's a little bit unsteady on its base, but I'll just hold that one down for a moment. But it seems to be running quite smoothly. So I'd love to find out what manufacturer made this particular engine. It seems to be blowing up a little bit of water at the moment. Probably needs a little bit of work on it. Sort of running away with itself at the moment, and then stopping and starting. Probably priming a little bit. There we are. Put it more in the sun so we can actually see a bit more. It's blowing a little bit of water at the moment. So now really that's it. There's not a lot to say about it. It's a 4 by 1 3/4 inch boiler, about 6 inches high, 5 inches long, 4 inches wide, and that's as much as I can tell you. I think it's a post-war engine. It's got that sort of feel about it in terms of its materials, but apart from that, I couldn't tell you a lot more about it. If you do know anything about it, then I'd love to actually hear from you. You can contact me through my forum, Freesteam, or you can contact me here at YouTube. It seems to have stopped again now. I've got a feeling the lamp's gone out. Yes. Lamp's got a little bit of water on it. This actually, the lamp needs repacking. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to repack the lamp, tidy it up, and then steam it up again, and we'll see what happens.